So there's a lot of talk out there about ChatGPT and how it can be used in marketing. There's also a lot of confusion around it. In this video, I'm going to talk about demystifying ChatGPT and the 5 ways it could transform your marketing. So number 1, building a marketing strategy. A lot of small and medium-sized businesses lack any kind of strategy. It's more of a shotgun type approach. They don't have a plan for this year. The magic of ChatGPT is it can build a marketing strategy for you. So all those core elements that make up a marketing strategy, your value proposition, the audience you're going after, the markets you're going after, your competition, etc. You can build that all within ChatGPT. So you've then got that template, that guiding framework to build from. So with that foundation in place, we move to 2, 3, and 4 in our list. We start thinking content. Now there's a lot of talk about content, a lot of confusion about content, but really one needs to focus on the buyer's journey. How do buyers move through content to ultimately get to a place where they're going to engage with you and make a purchase? Well, there are 3 parts to that. The first part is attention. The second part is consideration. And then the third part is decision. And those are where one targets one's content. And ChatGPT has a wonderful way of building content and helping you build content in each of those 3 areas. So let's start with attention. Social media is a wonderful place to gain attention, but social media is so often misused. Pictures of and videos of cats and other such things may or may not be what you want to be sharing in social media. Attention is about driving people through that journey to get their attention first, to then have them engage with you in a deeper level of that funnel. So attention is social media is great, but it has to be done right. And again, there are some tricks that can be used in social media to garner attention. Animation is a key one. There's a lot of time and energy that's spent now in putting short animations together. Those are wonderful to get people's attention in social media. Humor is another one. If you're clever with the stuff that you're putting out there, then again, you get people's attention. But a mistake a lot of people make is not having a call to action, a CTA. Something that drives people to the next level. And guess what? Each of the things that I'm just talking about here can all be done with generative AI. We can build images with ChatGPT. We can do animation with generative AI. We can build CTAs with generative AI as well. So in that attention phase, generative AI and ChatGPT can be a massive help in testing out those elements of content that get people's attention. So moving to number 3 in our list, it's consideration. Again, we're still under the content piece. So we've got people's attention, we've driven them through for them to be interested in what we're producing, our product, our solution. The next thing is that deeper level of attention. We all want to know more about what it is that you're offering. That needs that more in-depth content. So things like ebooks are a great way to build out that confidence, that interest and deeper interest that your customers might have. Again, these can all be built using generative AI, not just the wording, but also the images within those ebooks. Blog posts and articles, again, they're attention grabbing. They are also in this sort of consideration phase as well. So well-written articles with images which relate to the article. Again, there's a journey there, and ChatGPT is your friend sitting next to you, where you can write a blog post and have ChatGPT look it over. Make sure there's nothing that's missing. Make sure it's on point. You can also use ChatGPT to feed that article to it and say, please generate an image for this particular article. Again, attention grabbing images are huge. Third piece of that article and blog piece is a title. Make sure that title is compelling. Again, ChatGPT can help you build those really compelling titles. And then the same as the attention phase, never forget that CTA. What is the call to action? More often than that, it could be a consultation. Reach back to us and we'll give you a free consultation. A free trial is another one that can get people into that phase where they're still thinking about it, but they're warming up to what you're offering. So there's number 3. Let's move now to number 4. So number 4, content again. This is the decision phase. This is where your customers are looking at you. You've got them interested, but are they going to buy? They need a little nudge. Lots of things that can happen here. Lots of things that you can do content-wise to make that journey simpler for them. A really optimized website is critical here. Customers are going to go to your website. They're going to read your website. They're going to see the elements there. Is it professional, your website? Are you including your why, how, and what in that website? Do you have use cases there? So there's a lot of things around the website that can help with that final piece of decision making. Are there pointers back to contact you to continue to follow up? So again, feeding your website into ChatGPT and asking questions of your website, because remember, ChatGPT can read your website, is another important piece of this puzzle. That's number 4. On to number 5. SEO. So anything you write, whether it be in social media, whether it be blog posts, whether it be articles, you need to know your keywords. Guess who's your friend in finding your keywords? ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you find those keywords and those long tails that you need to embed within your articles. And actually, when you create those keywords with the help of ChatGPT, that should be in your strategy document somewhere. So it's always that guiding piece that's going to help your writing and to garner attention from Google searches. So that's the 5th piece, but I'm going to add to that as well. Analytics is critical. Any content you're generating in any of these phases that we've just spoken about needs to be analyzed. And guess what? You can feed your analytics into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT provide you perspectives on what's working and what's not working. So A/B testing, etc., can be done again using ChatGPT. So those are your 5 areas that could actually completely transform your marketing thanks to ChatGPT. So think about how you best use generative AI and those tools. They don't replace you as a human. They're almost your marketing friend expert sitting next to you that can guide you through each of these pieces of the puzzle to ultimately drive leads and build your business. Thanks for watching.